What's up, YouTube? Got my first Plndr haul. Ordered this on the 2nd, and today's the 9th, I think, or the 8th. So that was pretty fast shipping. And yeah, I'll get into it, unbox it for you guys. Got the packaging slip, which I don't want to show because it has all my information on it. Paper. Alright, let's start here, I guess. I got static board short, yellow, size 30. Just looks pretty good. Got those for, let's see, I guess it doesn't say the prices, but I think they're like 12 bucks. And then I got this Defiant t-shirt, size large. Looks like the Pittsburgh Pirates logo. And then another pair of shorts by Micaiah, however you say that, size 30. Those were like 15. Then I got a bunch of hats. First hat, got this 47 brand Pirates, pretty sick. Then I got two of these analog, like Flex Fit. They're only $2, so I got two of those. And then I got this American Needle Seattle Mariners. It's like half yellow, half blue. It's like the retro logo and everything. It's pretty sweet. And then I got another analog hat. Can't really see it, but it has like the trees, and then it's all white with black trees as the AG logo, and then analog on the back. Yeah, this was only $4. So I got 5 hats, and then 2 pairs of shorts, because I was running low on shorts because none of them fit me anymore. And this Defiant t-shirt that I'm gonna wear with that hat. Looks like that would be pretty sick together. Yeah, you guys can see that's like the same exact logo. But yeah, that was my first order from Plndr. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, just hit the like button below and subscribe if you want to see more videos coming. Thanks.